Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install the Robota STEM Training Student app. This app is a tool that is going to help to enhance your STEM skill, and it's also going to help to make your learning to be more interactive. So let's get started. For you to be able to install this application on your device, you have to ensure that your device is connected to the internet, right? So all you just need to do is go to the Play Store application, the Google Play Store application, and then you have to search on the search bar here. You have to write Robota STEM Training. So let me type that in, Robota STEM Training. Okay, so I'll hit on the search button, and yes, this first application you are seeing here, the one that has Robota's logo on it, yes, that's the application. So I'm just going to open, and then I'll click install, and yes, okay. So it's going to take maybe up to a minute to install, so you just have to be patient while it's installed on your device. Okay, now the application has installed successfully, so all I just need to do is click open here, and yes, so once you open the application, this is what you are going to see on the splash screen. Okay, so I'm just going to click submit, and yes, boom. So yes, as you can see here, for you to log in as a student, you have to log in with your credentials. Okay, so let me just try to quickly log in here with a credential for students. Okay, I'm going to write okay, boom. Yes, can you see that? Yeah, this is the student login dashboard. So once the student is able to log in using his or her own credentials, yes, the students that are onboarded are going to have their credentials to be able to log into this dashboard. Okay, so this is the student dashboard, and this student is a coding student, yes, under coding class, yes, and the students can check for the homework. So if they have any homework, they are going to have the list right here. We also have the daily assignment part, okay, the module where they are going to see all assignments which they have, and they're also going to be able to see their lesson plan. So if they're having any schedule for classes on any of the days, they are going to see what they have, their lesson plan. Okay, we also have the online examination, yes, where they'll be able to take exams, right, where they'll be able to also see the upcoming examination. All right, so we also have the download center. Yes, in the download center they'll be able to have access to downloading learning materials. So learning materials such as videos and also PDF documents, which are going to help them to be able to understand and learn more. Okay, we also have this online course, right? We have the online course part. Okay, yes, on this online course part, they will be able to see all the courses that we have online on our website, and they can also join the live classes through this platform, right? Yes, using this Google Meet classes. Yes, so with the help of this, once they get to this module here, they are going to see all the schedule for classes, for live classes. So if there's any upcoming live class, they are going to see it here, and if there is anyone that is ongoing, they will be able to join. So far it is what they are enrolled for. Okay, another thing is that the students have to make sure that they have Google Meet application installed on the device, okay, because this is going to sync with the Google Meet application for them to be able to join the live classes. All right, so we have a whole lot of sections here, but this is the basic ones that we really need to go through for now. Yes, so with the help of this module, the students will be able to learn very well and also ensure that their learning is interactive. So thank you. If you have any question concerning this application or how to install it, how to log into the portal, you can get across to us on the Robota STEM Training Center website. We'll be glad to give you any insight or for any issue that you're having with installing the application. Thank you.